Did you know that bar charts and column charts are both valuable tools for displaying categorical data? As data analysts, it's crucial for us to understand when and how to use them effectively. A bar chart presents data using horizontal bars, while a column chart uses vertical bars. Understanding the context and purpose of your data visualization is essential. Bar charts are ideal for comparing values across different categories, while column charts are excellent for showing changes over time or comparing data points within a single category. As data professionals, we should choose the chart type that best conveys our message to the audience. Bar charts and column charts are fundamental visualizations in data analysis. Let's discuss their characteristics and use cases. What is bar chart? Bar charts display data using horizontal bars of varying lengths. Each bar represents a category or group, and the length of the bar corresponds to the value of the data. Use cases. Comparing categories. Bar charts are excellent for comparing values across different categories. For example, you might use a bar chart to compare sales figures for different product categories. Example, electronics, clothing, home goods. Nominal or ordinal data. Bar charts work well with nominal or ordinal data, categories without a specific order. Examples include survey responses. Example, strongly agree, agree, neutral, disagree, strongly disagree. Categorical data. When you want to visualize data grouped by categories, example countries, months, age groups, bar charts are a go-to choice. What is column chart? Column charts use vertical bars to represent data. Like bar charts, each column corresponds to a category, and the height of the column reflects the data value. Use cases. Time series data. Column charts are ideal for showing changes over time. You can plot data points for different time periods. Example, monthly revenue over a year. Comparing data points within a category. If you want to compare data points within a single category, example, sales by product within a specific month, column charts are effective. Quantitative data. When dealing with quantitative data, example, revenue, temperature, population, column charts provide a clear representation. Remember, the choice between bar charts and column charts depends on your specific goals. Consider the context, the type of data, and the message you want to convey to your audience. Both chart types are powerful tools when used appropriately. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and I'll catch you in the next video.